integration, a new gateway for the new generation, where teachers will work in collaboration and facilitate the students in their journey of education. Today's workshop is a great upgradation that emphasizes on the importance of appreciation of the process of learning and not just the final destination, as each child is unique in their pace and fashion. My favorite takeaway is Calligram, and today's session has made us your big fan, dear Meenakshi Ma'am.
Be artful, be creative, and be mean, think out of the box. Thank you.
Wonderful.
सबसे पहले तो मैं थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगी मैम को, क्योंकि आज की वर्कशॉप में जो भी हमने सीखा, मे भी हम यूज़ करते थे लेकिन इतना नहीं पता था जितना हमने आज सीखा है। तो आज की इस वर्कशॉप में मैंने स्पेशली अपने स्टूडेंट के लिए ये सीखा कि कैसे हम बच्चों को अपने सब्जेक्ट में इंटरेस्ट उनका ला सकते हैं, क्योंकि हम करवाते सब कुछ है पर हमें ये नहीं पता होता हम एक्चुअली करवा क्या रहे हैं। तो मैं सबसे पहले आपको थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ मैम कि हमें ये सब कुछ आपने बताया, जिससे हमारे साथ साथ हमारे बच्चों की नॉलेज बढ़ी। थैंक यू सो मच।
Anyone else?
Art integrated is a teaching learning model through the art and with the arts. कला नाम है सीखने सिखाने का, कला राज है उम्र भर निभाने का, ये पल दो पल की पहचान नहीं, कला तो फर्ज है अपनी उम्र का, अपनी जिंदगी को उम्र भर निभाने का। कला के द्वारा हम कुछ सीख सकते हैं, सिखा सकते हैं और अपने जीवन में आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। अगर कला नहीं है तो हम नहीं हैं। अगर कला हम नहीं सीख पाएंगे तो आगे आने वाली हमारी जो नई युवा पीढ़ी है तो हम उनको कुछ नहीं सिखा पाएंगे। इसलिए कला से ही हमें सीखना है, सिखाना है और इस कला को हमें अपनी आने वाली युवा पीढ़ी तक पहुंचाना है। धन्यवाद।
My handle is art integration is a way to create a new life beyond brain.
New life beyond brain, beyond the thinking of the brain. Right? Next.
मैं कला के बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहती हूँ। जीवन जो है वो कला से ही जुड़ा है। कला के बिना अगर हम देखें तो हमारा जीवन अधूरा है। कला के द्वारा अगर हम कोई चीज सीखते हैं तो वो हमें आसान लगता है। तो इसी के बारे में दो पंक्तियाँ। कला एक ऐसी कला है जिससे ही सबका जीवन जुड़ा है। कला बिना सब शून्य है।
Art integration is based on art, means perspective of a person is essential. Be artful, be creative, and be mean, think out of the box. Thank you.
Wonderful.
सबसे पहले तो मैं थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगी मैम को, क्योंकि आज की वर्कशॉप में जो भी हमने सीखा, मे भी हम यूज़ करते थे लेकिन इतना नहीं पता था जितना हमने आज सीखा है। तो आज की इस वर्कशॉप में मैंने स्पेशली अपने स्टूडेंट के लिए ये सीखा कि कैसे हम बच्चों को अपने सब्जेक्ट में इंटरेस्ट उनका ला सकते हैं, क्योंकि हम करवाते सब कुछ है पर हमें ये नहीं पता होता हम एक्चुअली करवा क्या रहे हैं। तो मैं सबसे पहले आपको थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ मैम कि हमें ये सब कुछ आपने बताया, जिससे हमारे साथ साथ हमारे बच्चों की नॉलेज बढ़ी। थैंक यू सो मच।
Actually, the question is, we as a teachers can avoid a judgmental environment. However, how do we regulate judgments or critiques posed by the students?
See, we need to teach them when you start appreciating each and every child's work. Let me see, you are the role model for the children. They start imitating you. Don't you see? They do like that. I want to dress up like my teacher. I want to make hairstyle like my teacher. My teacher writes like this. Right? They will start pressing your signatures also. My teacher signs like this. Because they imitate you. Being the role model, we can ask our children, let's go ahead with the collaboration. There is nothing in competition.
Free Udan.
Pace free Udan. Okay?
देखो देखो क्या वो भीड़ है, चादर ओढ़े अखड़ा कोई. This is exactly what we learned today. One picture, different interpretations, and that is what we are trying to interpret with art integrated learning.
Yeah, yes, wonderful.
According to the 3-to-1 strategy, we have learned using Pathogeny
Yeah,
and then Calligram
Yeah.
and design.
design thinking. Yeah. Wonderful.
And the two things we found very much interesting is the comics, and second one is the traffic light checklists.
Traffic light.
The strategy you will apply Monday onwards is the triple PB.
Yeah.
Pose a question, pause, and pounce and bounce.
Wonderful. Thank you. See, we say.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, thank you for this wonderful mission. And we learned lots of things from today's session. So our headline is "Let's be artistic learners again."
Yeah.
And not only 3 things we found out. A number of the things are there, but okay, right now we are discussing 3 things. First of all, yes, the true meaning of collaboration of education with our culture, that is, then the different steps of Bloom's taxonomy and the easiest way to learn all those techniques, and the edible part. And the interesting thing that we found out from this session, the first one, rubrics. Like we are giving the assignment, but we have never told the rubrics. So this time now, we will take care of it, and whenever we will provide any assignment to our kids, we will give the rubrics also so that they can do in a better way. And the calligram, number of the things are there. Calligram, showing of the picture. Like since I'm a science teacher, I used to start my chapter with any activity or any related topic. But now that picture showing you have shown, that I like it very much. So I will try definitely start so that I can use it in any of the
Or just showing a picture, let the student, you can just create a hook in the class.
Is importance of art in education, learning beyond classroom.
Art in education, learning beyond classroom. Wonderful.
So in this session we learn about what is the importance of art integration. We came to know that only the classroom lecture is not sufficient to teach the student and to make them active citizen. So there should be integration of art also, that will clear the concept of the students, also make their interest in the study also. And only then they can apply the knowledge in the daily life. So this is the importance of this art integration in the curriculum. And this is the current need of the society. And there is some wish in this lecture that if you get time to learn more things, how to apply these last slides in the classroom, that will be very beneficial.
Certainly it will be, because time is very less, that's why I have shown you. But certainly I'll be in touch with all of you.
Art is one, art is all, art will help learners stand tall. Integrate art with learning, help learners remember, understand, apply, rather than mere cramming. Lower order thinking skills these are, which are very easy to acquire. With art as a tool, every concept is cool. Higher order thinking skills, analyzing, evaluation, creation can be easily achieved with art integration.
Triple PB, right?
This is what I learned today, and we will apply in the class and see the result which we will take out from the students. Thank you so much for being here.
Wonderful.
And one more thing I want to add on that is different learning tools.
Silence, please.
Like Parle Genie.
Yeah.
Found very interesting, and we definitely like to use that, and we look forward to it.
Certainly, please do.